Foshan Polyva Material Company Limited has been committed to the research and development and application services of water-soluble packaging materials since 2005. The existing 50,000 square meters production base, more than 300 employees, provide customers with one-stop solutions and technical support for water-soluble packaging. We focuses on water-soluble packaging application services using water-soluble films, water-soluble packaging equipment as carriers to provide customers with water-soluble packaging technical support. In 2015, the first automatic pod packaging machine was trial produced. In 2018, the development of machine was completed. The composite packaging technology was formed. In 2019, the powder liquid mixed packaging was introduced to the market. Now, 7 formulation systems and 30 basic grades of water-soluble films have been formed, which are used in daily chemical packaging, pesticide packaging, industrial product packaging, clothing packaging, and other fields, and are equipped with a variety of packaging solutions for various application scenarios. We relies on the Polyvinyl Alcohol Film Technology Development Engineering Center and Water-Soluble Packaging Automation Control Center to provide instant customized service capabilities. Become a pioneer in water-soluble packaging. We is committed to the research and development and application of new green and environmentally friendly materials, the upgrading, innovation, and substitution of traditional packaging materials. In the future, we will become a technical standardizer in the field of water-soluble packaging, an international competitive water-soluble packaging technology leader, and the industry together to create a green and environmentally friendly life.